Question number 4 is divide 534. Please write it into 3 parts. We need to divide 534 into 3 parts. Part 1, part 2 and part 3. Such that the second part is, means first definition is about second part. Such that the second part will be 32 less than twice the first. 32 less than twice the first. Such that the second part will be 32 less than twice the first. That is the given condition on second part. Second part has been defined 32 less than twice the first. And the third part will be, third part को define कैसे किया है? Third part will be 18 more than the first. 18 more than the first. 18 more than the first. ये definition third का दिया है. This definition has given of second. Okay, find all 3 parts. That is the question. Find all 3 parts. If you have written the question, please let me know so that I can start the solution. 534 into 3 parts we need to divide such that second part will be 32 less than twice of the first and third part will be 18 more than the first. Okay, I'll start to explain it. First tell me to which factor we will consider x. Exactly. Or you can say, because all the process, mathematical process, here addition you can say, see here subtraction you can see, this is subtraction. It has been applied on first part. It has been applied on first part, right? And therefore we are going to consider, please write, let the first part be x. Let the first part be x. यहाँ पे हमने consideration किया first part को. Now we will find the value of second part as the second part has already defined. यहाँ पे definition हमारे पास है. Second part का definition है. So we will write, therefore the second part will be, pay attention, don't write anything now, stop writing and pay attention. Second part is, how much it is? 32 less than, exactly, जहां पे आपको 1 दिख रहा है ना, ये वाला 1, वहां पे आपको x कंसिडर करना है क्योंकि 1 को तो हमने x मान लिया है. तो जहां पे आपको 1 दिख रहा है वहां पे x लिखेंगे, rest all the part we will write as it is. So second part आपने यहाँ पे लिखा, second part 2x minus 32. This is your second part. Can you tell me what will be the third part? Again, exactly. Again you will substitute x here in the definition because first part को आपने x consider किया है, तो you will substitute x at the place of first part plus 18 because third part is 18 more than first, second part is 32 less than twice of the first part. These all definitions we have applied as per the given condition. And now these 3 parts are of the number 534, right? ये इसके parts है ना, तो सबका addition कितना होगा? You will get, exactly, you will get, correct, you will get the addition of all 3 parts, first, second and third, 534. ये आपको addition मिलेगा. तो let's substitute all these values. Third part is x, second is 2x minus 32, third is x plus 18, सभी का addition 534 है. This is the linear equation we need to solve. Now we will find like terms x, 2x and x. These 3 are the like terms. We are going to calculate them. Addition, subtraction, whatever it may be. We are going to calculate them. So let's do this. X plus 2x. Yes, x plus 2x is 3x. Okay, x plus 2x is 3x and 3x plus x. 4x, exactly, 4x. Now the remaining part is minus 32 plus 18 equals to 53. Okay, now the choice is yours. If you want to substitute, yes. 534. Okay, 534. This is 534. I was missing the part 4 here. Okay, so here it is your wish whether you want to shift these two values individually. अगर आपको दोनों values individually shift करने हैं आप कर सकते हो. Otherwise you will do calculations of these two here only and then you will shift. You can shift it. तो ये आपका विश है, आप जो करना यहाँ पे चाहते हो शिफ्टिंग का आप कर सकते हो. तो लेट्स सॉल्व. आई एम गोइंग टू डू एज इट इज एट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. पहले तो हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड सॉल्व कर देंगे. यहाँ पे मैं सॉल्व कर रही हूँ. 4x, okay, 4x minus 32 plus 18 equals to 534. Now we are on this step. तो 4x as it is आपने लिखा. Can you tell me what is the answer of minus 32 plus 18? Minus 14, because see you can check the signs are different. There will be subtraction आपको greater minus smaller करना है. जो भी आपको आंसर मिलेगा you will put the greater number sign. greater number sign यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है 32 का माइनस है तो your answer will be minus 14. We have written minus 14 equals to 534 and in the next step you can shift that minus 14 at right hand side. Please solve and find the value of x. 534 plus 14. हमने 14 को शिफ्ट किया यहाँ पे. 4x equals to addition of these two numbers 8, 548. Okay, value of x is 548 by 4. What is the value of x? 4 ones are 4, 1 carry 14. Okay, 12, 28, 137. Correct. X is equal to 137. That value is correct. X is the first part, right? X ये जो है ये first part है तो first part तो आपको मिला. First part we have got. Similarly we need to find the second part. No, यहाँ पे ये second part दिख रहा है आपको 2x minus 32. Let's find it. Okay, I'm going to solve it here. I hope everyone is writing with me. Yes. So second part, please find and tell me how much it is. 2x minus 32, 2 into 137 minus 32, 274 minus 32. Yes, 4 minus 2 is 2, 7 minus 3 is 4. Second part is 242. Is it the second part same you have got? Now we will find the third part. Third part is just 18 more than the first one. उसमें हमें क्या करना है? x plus 18. I will write on that side third part equals to x plus 18. x कितना है आपका? x का वैल्यू है 137 plus 18. Yes, how much value you have got of third part? 1, 3, 4, 5 and 1. 155 is the right answer. So 155 is the third part and therefore the required parts are 137. First part is 137. Second part is 242. Third part is 155. This is your final answer. These three parts are the required parts. These three parts are required parts.